kailangan. This is a really sports game. You can play this, but you have to be really smart to play this game. Now, if you wanna know how to play this game, you just have to follow me. Oh no, oh no. First step, if you wanna kill the other players, you gotta aim for their heads. So it will be headshot with a sniper. And these simple instructions are just getting easier and easier in every instruction. So, let's get to learning. Mike, when you have a teammate, you have to follow them every round. Now look at me. If you wanna reload, push the reload button. You gotta follow every time here. Now. If you don't know how to use a gun, you gotta punch them like this. See? It's a little lot, but I got them. If you don't know how to use a gun, just punch them real hard. And you have to go to the settings, your controllers. See? If someone's hitting you, you gotta jump, 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 jump. You gotta jump, jump, jump. See? Now we're the same now. And now we just gotta win this. So, this gun is tiny, but it is powerful. Gotta jump every time. You gotta watch for the other mates. So, you just gotta know where the other crew is. You gotta win this. You gotta know where the crew is. This crew is lagging. See? At the start, I was losing. But if you wanna get more instruction of Sausage Man, you gotta follow my rules. Thank you for watching.